Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share an insider tip that could completely change the way you approach trading. This isn't your typical buy low, sell high advice. No, this is about selective trading, a strategy that's helped me navigate some of the most volatile markets and come out on top. So, if you're ready to take your trading game to the next level, stick around. What if I told you that 90% of traders fail because they're chasing every opportunity? But the top 10%, the ones who consistently win, they know the secret. It's not about trading more. It's about trading smarter. Today, I'm revealing the one strategy that separates the pros from the amateurs: selective trading. Let me break it down for you. Selective trading is all about quality over quantity. Instead of jumping into every trade that looks promising, you wait for the perfect setup. Here's how it works. Look for patterns with a high success rate. For me, that means focusing on breakouts, pullbacks, and trend reversals. Don't just trade for the sake of trading. Wait for the market to come to you. Every trade should have a clear risk-reward ratio. I never risk more than 1 to 2% of my portfolio on a single trade. And if the setup doesn't meet my criteria, I walk away. Discipline is key. Here's the hard truth: you're going to miss out on some opportunities. But that's okay. The goal isn't to catch every move, it's to catch the right moves. Let me show you how this works in real life. Last month, I identified a breakout in a tech stock. Instead of jumping in immediately, I waited for a pullback to confirm the trend. That patience paid off. I entered at the perfect time and walked away with a 20% gain. Now, let's dive deeper into the selective trading strategy. This isn't just about picking stocks. It's about understanding the market and your own psychology. Here are 3 key components you need to master. Before you even think about placing a trade, you need to understand the market conditions. Are we in a bull market, a bear market, or a sideways market? Use tools like moving averages, RSI, and volume indicators to gauge the market's health. Not all stocks are created equal. Focus on high volume, high liquidity stocks that have clear patterns. I keep a watch list of 10-15 stocks and only trade when the setup is perfect. This is where most traders fail. They let emotions like fear and greed dictate their actions. With selective trading, you need to stay calm and stick to your plan. If the trade doesn't meet your criteria, walk away. Even with a solid strategy, it's easy to make mistakes. Here are 3 common pitfalls to avoid. Overtrading is the #1 killer of profits. Remember, less is more. Focus on quality setups, not quantity. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Always set stop-loss orders and stick to them. If you have a losing trade, don't try to make it back immediately. Stick to your strategy and wait for the next opportunity. Now here's the deal. Selective trading isn't just a strategy, it's a mindset. It's about being disciplined, patient, and strategic. If you're ready to start trading like a pro, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what your biggest trading challenge is. I'll be sharing more tips like this in future videos. Remember, in trading, less is often more. Be selective, stay disciplined, and the profits will follow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.